up, guys? Welcome to Gridlife 2024. We're back to hopefully defend our title, and I got the RS with me. I want to show these guys. I got Will doing trackside support for me today. He's over there prepping the MS109, and we'll touch base on what's going on with that. Guys from S5X are here as well, helping out and driving too. Danny's driving too. You'll see his GT4 maybe in the back over there. But we're here. It's perfect weather. It's literally not a cloud in sight, which is really rare for the morning here. Should be very fast track today, and it'll be a lot of fun. Last year we ran a 30.4 in this, 130.4. This year we made some significant changes to the car, if you guys have been following along, but there's been some updates since our event at Big Willow. So as you guys know, we gutted the car. We lost about 400 pounds. We're south of 3,000 now. So very lightweight car, feels really nimble now. We got new aero. We had the Vrsf aero on it before. It was extremely draggy. It had great downforce, but just a lot of drag and making the car really slow down the front straight. So down this front straight, I'm pretty sure we only hit about 125, I think. I got to go back and look at the video. But I'm pretty sure we're going to be hitting somewhere around up north of 135 this time. So we got the Zebulon and Dundon aero. It's just as much downforce, but way less drag. And we've noticed on all the data, it's showing that we're hitting crazy speeds that we weren't able to hit before with the old aero. And most recently, we did an MS109 tune. So that's what Will's doing right now. He's over there prepping the MS109, sweating his ass off. And so it's a custom map from Dundon, making north of 500 wheel horsepower. So considerable amount of gains that we've gained. And hopefully we can set down a blister. Now, like I said, we did a 130.4 last year. So I got faster every session up until the final session and to set my PB in the last session. So I know that's a sign of me just getting faster at this track. That's the first time I've ever done Laguna Seca, and this will be the second time. So still a learning process here at this track. I got a lot of sim time. I've got a coach now that's helping me out a little bit, so I'm going to send him over some data. We're going to talk to Dundon a little later today on the Whiskey Friday, so that'll be cool. But as far as the goal goes, I don't really have a goal. I do have a bet, and so I want to win that bet. And the bet I made was with George Zhao with the red R8. Probably post a picture of his Instagram here. Good buddy of mine, really great competitor and even better person. We're betting a set of tires. So if I hit the 27, it could be a high 27, doesn't matter. It could be low 27. Just got to be faster than a 28.0. He's got to buy me a set of tires. And if I fail, then I buy him a set of tires. And his tires aren't cheap. He's got that R8, and those are some big fuckers right there. So yeah, it'll be a good time. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy. right, so just wrapped up session 1. Finished in the first practice. We're sitting in P1, but it's just practice, of course. P1 in class, P4 overall with a 30.6, 130.6. So we're almost right there with our PB. A lot of slipping, a lot of sliding. These are old tires. It's actually pretty hot out there track condition wise. We'll keep at it. I'm gonna look over the data right now, see where I can make up time, send it over to my coach. Yeah, keep on improving.
A la verga, it's fucking hot.
Got red flagged, unfortunately, so we only got like 2 laps in, but it's really hot, really slick. We got old tires on, like I had mentioned before. We got new tires coming for the last session of the day, and that'll actually count towards qualifying for the top 5 shootout. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Like I said, it's pretty hot, so hopefully we go faster than we did this morning, but I don't know, we'll see. Oh shit! Will's a real MVP. Doing some trackside support for me this weekend. Busting his ass, sweating his ass off, filling jugs, filling the car, tire pressures, tires, everything. Rig solid. We just finished up qualifying 1 for a session that counts. That's our last session for today as well. We finished on P1 by over a second. Basically, the same times we ran in practice 1 is exactly what me and Gary ran in qualifying 1. So I ran a 30.6, he ran a 31.7. So still a second advantage over those guys. But I know they're gonna come out tomorrow with more boost, more power, try to close that thing up with power alone. So it's all right. I think we'll be fine to get into the top 5. We're gonna keep pushing tomorrow, but today we ran this last session with 3 new tires, 3, because there's no more Supercar 3Rs in the 265, 35, 19. So any turn, I'll show you, any turn, if you guys go back and watch the hot lap, any turn to the right, I'm understeering, I'm pushing. Or like the car's doing this weird teeter-tottering thing because it's trying to grip up, gain traction, or slide. So a little strange little thing going on. But that's because, like I said, we had an old tire up front. Tomorrow we'll throw on a whole new set of stickers for the final 5 and we'll send it. But the grip, basically anything left-handed, was fucking insane. So yeah, hopefully cooler weather's tomorrow. That way we can get some more power out of the car and get a PB, maybe even beat the record. So see you guys tomorrow.